Hello, this is my 2021 Ford Bronco, black diamond with a Sasquatch package. I got the regular little rock rails here, and my wife is really short, so she has a hard time getting up in this thing. So we're gonna put on some steps for her. I've looked around, and finally made a decision, and I got these IAGs. That's the little plate that goes in this hole. I started putting that one in already. Side plates, and as you can see, they hang on with these little things. They're not really rock rails or grinding down onto rocks or whatever. They're just steps. If you get into serious off-roading, I'll just take them off. I don't do that bunch of rock crawling. I hunt and fish out of it. Deer hunt mostly. These are the hooks. They go like right here. There's a video on their website, IAG, on how to put them on. These are the bolts that hold these on. These are the studs with the jam nuts that go on the ends. And these all hold these little plates on. And I got blue ones because my Bronco's the Velocity blue. So we're going to put them on real fast. They say 15-minute installation. Takes me 15 minutes to put my shoes on. That's a joke. But they come really packaged really well. I mean, look at these. They come in all this styrofoam. That's the little extra hooks that go on. These were on the ends. These were on the ends. I mean, this is some really, really good packaging. That's a 10 out of 10 for me. These things were packed in a big long box. The box is over there behind my dirt bike, but man, they were secure. Not a scratch, not a dent, not a ding. Great packaging. I've gotten some other rock rails for like my truck right there, and they're packaged pretty good, but this is really good. I mean, those were probably packaged like an 8 out of 10. These were like 10 out of 10. I mean, great job. Great job. The quality, the welds are nice. Everything looks gorgeous. I mean, good looking powder coat. I ordered them. I got them really fast too. I can't remember. It was fast. Like a week. That's pretty good to me. And sometimes with all the supply chain issues, they say yada yada yada. They were $867. I'm cheap. Bronco's pretty expensive though, of course. I'm pretty cheap, but $867. All the other ones I was looking at were around $1,200. I've got a welder and I've got a tubing bender, you can see there, and I could have built something, but I'd have to spend a day and a half building something, and I just didn't feel like it. And I looked at these, and man, they look neat. And I was like, I can make those, but there's no way I could do this kind of quality. No way. I can make them nice, but these are really nice. Quality is a 10 out of 10. I mean, they didn't pay me nothing. I bought these, but the quality is amazing. Let's see how they go on. I'll do it. Also got some WeatherTech Mudflaps. These were $121. Got a front set and a rear set. I can give you the model numbers and stuff if you want. They're right there. But you don't want to order these. You want to get on their website because they're specific for different Broncos. Because let's go out to the Bronco real quick here. Now, Sasquatches have the bigger fender flares, as you can see. Everybody that knows Broncos knows that. Well, this part right here is different on different Broncos. This part, and that's where the mud flap goes. There's a shorter version. It looks a little different, and then there's different size wheel arches, and there's two different kinds, and you got to take a picture of this and go in and order it on their website, because I had the ones that sticks out to match as this. The other ones are back here somewhere, and you'll get the wrong ones. Make sure you go on their website, make sure you look at that to order the right ones. Just don't order the part number that I just showed you, or you'll get the wrong ones. It's right on WeatherTech's website, and they're shipping. Wow, I got those things in like 2 days. I mean, 3 days, something. It was really quick. $121. All right, so I'm going to gear up and put a sight on. Okay, we're recording. I'm going to sit you about right here. There we go. Okay, website for these says to hang these on there like that. I'm going to wipe them off first, though. Just get the dirt and dust off real quick. Bronco's pretty clean. I had a car wash last week, but it's been windy here in Vegas. Hang these here, hang them, and it says to hang this. Oh, windy. That. Wow, look at that. That's pretty neat. Supposed to be, gosh, like 50-mile-an-hour winds. Lift this up, it says on the website. Slide this over. Lift this up. Slide it over. Line up the holes. Pretty simple. Start these. It'll leave them loose. We'll leave them loose. There we go. Kind of started. Start this. Make this the right way. Oh yeah. We'll leave it loose. didn't. Wow. That's amazing. And it's off like a 16th. How did I manage that? I didn't even try. Wow. It just magically did it. That's amazing. Didn't say to put Loctite on any of this stuff, but so I'm not gonna put Loctite. Didn't say to do that. Probably could. Be a little safer. Get an Allen wrench. That hits the frame underneath. Give me a minute. Oh. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, this is better. Snug that up. Snug this one up just to pull down a little. These in. Kind of go equal because it's two. Grab the end of the ratchet there, kind of hold it up here. How about I want to bust it off? So just don't pull on it too hard. Those are all tight. And you got these jam nuts that are 1/2 inch. They go on there. That's pretty tight. Jam nut. About 2 threads, and I'm sticking out about 2 threads. Okay. couldn't be any easier. I don't think. Sorry, had to run get some tools. I was mounting a little plaque thingy they give you here. It only goes on one way. Sure don't take long. There'll be good steps, but I don't think you want to rub them into any rocks. I think you'll regret that. It says right on their website to take them off if you're doing serious four-wheeling. This one turned out to be a 7mm. Why it's metric. The other ones are American, I don't know. One side, it's on. Wow, looks good. IAG. I'll do the other side. Don't really need to show you that, and I'll come back with the mud flaps in a second. Okay, it's real hard to film these, but you take these things out, a little Phillips head on them. They're not easy to get out, man. The four on this side came right out. The ones on the other side, I had to cut two of them. They come out right here, 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 and here. And then you see underneath there, you take these little clips, and they go right on there. Line up with the holes. Like that. These are the WeatherTech mud flaps. And I got one more. It's kind of hard to do. I gotta get in here and get it's a film, but like that. And then I'm gonna look and make sure the holes are all lined up. Oh yeah, they all are. Except for this one. That one. And then you take this and tuck it behind it. That's what it said to do. And I'll bolt it on there. And I'll get the mud flap. Set this up so it's looking right at me. There we go. It looks like it's looking at me. There we go. Probably just gonna look at the back of my head. very tight. And you get one of these push pins. It goes in this one. Like that. You push it in there. It's really hard to push. I think a screwdriver hit it. Plastic, the retainers back there, so I'm not putting them super tight, just snugging them. Hand cramp. Go back over them. Tight enough, I guess. Tight. That one almost feels stripped out, but they're just plastic clips. We'll see how they do. That's the front ones. All mounted. Hang down pretty far, but I think it'll do it. Good enough for now. Here's the other side. All right, let me do a back one here. This is the back kit. Comes with the 2 mud flaps. This is the hardware. 3 bags like that. Here's the instructions. It's the back ones. I'll install one and then I'll film the other one. All right, I know it's bright out here, but it's bright. See that little lip right there? That little tab thingy? This thing right here. You gotta get that behind there. Takes a little bit, but you can get it. I did the other side. This is how I did it. If you can see it or not. I don't know, maybe. But kind of bend it in there. Slide it in a little. It goes in. Bam. Goes behind that there. Behind this part. It fit very well. Then you got to fight these screws in these holes. 9/32 socket. Start them myself. Get my hand back in here. Hold it right here like this. Kind of push it through that plastic so you don't have to use a drill. You probably could drill these, but you'd have to take the tire off. But there's supposed to be no drill Mudflaps. That's the whole idea. And this screw just starts itself. It goes all the way through this plastic. I'm going to do this 3 times. Anyway, you want to get it in there. It's kind of awkward left-handed, but it's going in. Probably put my 90-degree electric ratchet on it, but I just wanted to do it without any power tools. Let's see what it looks like. That's one. 2 more to go. And then these go on the back side. You just put them on flat. They don't clip onto nothing. We'll stop it for now till I'm done. It's just running 2 more in just like that. All right, I got it on. There's what they look like. Behind. Wow, they're really big. Ooh, bigger than I thought. Oh no. Both front ones are on. Running boards are on. Wife checked it out. She likes it. She can climb in it better. To me, it's kind of in my way. I'm 6 feet. I can just step right in. But I put them on both sides so people can get in and out of the back easier. And if the wife has to drive it, she can step in easier. And if anybody needs to get in the back when we're hunting or fishing, getting in and out of the car, shooting birds or whatever. But that's my Bronco. Thanks for watching.